In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 10 without a Microsoft Online account. As you can see, when you are installing Windows 10 Home Edition, you will encounter this screen. The next button is grayed out, and you cannot proceed. The installation can only continue after you connect the computer to the Internet. However, after connecting to the Internet, you will be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft Online account. There is no option to create or sign in with a local account. If you are installing Windows 10 Pro or a higher edition, you will see the option to install Windows without an Internet connection. Additionally, even if you connect to the Internet while installing Windows 10 Pro, you will have another option to install Windows using a local account. Select the Setup for an Organization option. Select Domain Join instead, and you can continue without a Microsoft Online account. Now, when installing Windows 10 Home, the Domain Join option will not be available. To bypass this step, let's press Shift plus F10 or Fn plus Shift plus F10 if you are using a laptop to open the command prompt window. Next, press Alt plus Tab to switch to the command prompt window. You can run the WinVer command to check the installed edition. As you can see, it is Windows 10 Home. Now, type this command and press Enter. A new window will open, allowing you to create a local account for the installation. As you can see, we can now bypass the Internet and online account requirements when installing Windows 10. Alternatively, you can try other ways to install Windows without needing an Internet connection or an online account. These methods work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. All these methods require you to open the command prompt window by pressing Shift F10 or Fn Shift F10 in OOBE. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.